Good morning. We are currently at the Birmingham Airport, and it is 4:57, and we're about to depart to Zurich. Here we go.
This is how we spend our days off on our Zurich study tour. Oh, that's going to hurt in the morning. He's all right.
Oh, just
video. We are on our way to Beulah Group, their headquarters. Can't remember where it's in, but yeah, they do like everything from like manufacturing. What else do they do?
So we couldn't film today in the Beulah factory. Tell us a little bit about it.
It was the first company we visited, but I was already very fascinated. It was a really good experience. They told us about sustainability, innovation, and the thing I liked was how good they're taking care of their employees and the little rooms for rest, for games, for nutrition, a very nice gym. So yeah, I'm loving Switzerland and I loved the experience.
Good morning from Zurich. Today is the second day of the International Business Global Immersion study tour. I'm getting ready for a lecture right now. We have a case study to go over, and the lecture is going to be on innovation and digital transformation. The case study is on the company Hilti and related to fleet management. After that, we have lunch and then a company visit of Kuhn Recon AG. Going to be a fun day. I'm here today with Frederick, and I have a quick question. What's your advice to help mitigate issues with disruptions of markets as a company?
Great question, Mason. Thank you very much. So indeed, we're living in times of disruption, right? We're seeing how previously established industry boundaries are increasingly disappearing. And we're oftentimes faced with the question, how can I make sure my company, my business model stays competitive? And one way of approaching this is actually start questioning the fundamental assumptions behind your strategy work and behind your business logic, which is what industry are we operating? Who are my competitors and how do I position myself against those people? And by starting to question this and come up with alternatives, you may come to the conclusion that by starting with the customer as the point of departure of my strategy work, I'm no longer operating within that confined setting of an industry. I'm actually embracing an arena. Let me give you an example. Moving away from the automotive sector where we're trying to understand what our direct competitors are doing, but rather thinking of this as the arena of mobility. How can I make sure the customer is successful in the job to be done of traveling from A to B? And how can I make sure this entire customer journey happens? This involves a variety of different services where obviously at some point in that equation, the automotive also would come in. But actually by embracing this as a much broader customer journey and creating a business model around this will create a much broader foothold that is no longer dependent on your industry, which may or may not become disrupted, but you become a much more robust business.
Thank you. An amazing answer. You heard it here first. Group. Lovely sights.
We got kitchen stuff.
What you getting here?
We got kitchen stuff.
Look at that.
Out of all the things that I go ham on, I got kitchen stuff. I spent money on kitchen stuff.
How was it going?
Doesn't really taste so much.
It's not bad, you know. It's not bad.
We're here today at Let Rock, trying chocolates. It was a great tour. Here we go. Tariq, how was it? It's amazing, man. Tariq's loving it. He's dying filming this. That's good. That's what it is. Thank you.
So here to the left of me, you can see a chocolate fondue. They've got white milk and dark. This is 150 kilograms of chocolate. I'm about to get my verdict. That is good. That is very, very good.
I'm gonna try mixing the dark chocolate and the blonde.
Okay. There you go. It's really good. You can taste the dark chocolate and the blonde chocolate as well, and it has caramel and a little stronger taste. You can go for it.
Little update. Headed to the botanical gardens over here in Zurich.
Toad. Look at them. These are the domes. They look really cool inside. Bad news though, they're closed. Pretty rattled right now about it. But it is what it is. I will have to observe beauty from afar. Oh.
Is it good? How is it? Is it good? The Kunch, how is it?
Very hot.
Yum. How is it? Give us the update.
So in order to fit, in order to make this more, they have to adjust the movement inside. So it's actually the
Made it down here now. Tariq, how is it?
It's amazing.